Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download maps on the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now tap on My Maps. That's the second option, and click on this plus icon down below in the right side corner of the screen, and here you can find the available maps. So tap on a relevant one, choose your country, and then click on this download button next to it. So here you can see the available ones. Here within France, for example, you can find a bunch of other regional maps too. So when you have downloaded it, here you can see that it's being downloaded, then you will be able to find it in the previous section. So it will be shown here. If you tap on it, you will be able to check it out, and here you can see your free space down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.